Welcome to another RCM Level 3 playback video. This is example weekly test number 19. This example is in an F major key signature. Go ahead and play an F major triad along with me. This example is in a 3/4 time signature and is 2 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, go ahead and turn to page 48 in the RCM Level 3 4-star sight reading and ear tests book. Thank you.